Inventory is vital in any type of business. It is important as sales itself. Yet, because of its complexity, having a good inventory system can often be expensive. And without one, managing stocks can become slow, manual, and very laborious. That is why I created a user-friendly inventory system designed to make stock management simple, organized, and efficient, without the need for costly software. In this video, I'll give you a quick and easy tutorial on how to navigate the system, step by step. So, let's begin. So, we are going to start with the username. It is protected by a login username and password. Then let's type password. Before we start, all the product list must be recorded first. Here, here is the product list. All your products will have the ID, the product name, the brand, and the date. All must be input here. So, very important to have that product ID, because in any brand there are different types of it could be a 500 milligram capsule, 250 milligram capsule, suspension, drops, etc. So basically in one brand it has different milligrams. So ID plays an important role to be distinct of the particular product. Now you have to go back to the main sheet form. Okay. Here in main sheet form you can see a lot of buttons. This product list button, the clear inputs button, the edit company button, add item button, search delivery. This add item is the one that is the products that will be accepted. Then you can search the delivery history. Move to pharmacy, meaning because this is a separate from sales entry, the POS. If you have products that you are going to put in a pharmacy or deliver in the pharmacy, you are just going to type here, move to pharmacy, and this the products in move to pharmacy will be deducted here in data. Then we have the search move to pharmacy button, the move to expired items button, the search below 6 months button, the withdrawal, if there are stocks to be withdrawn, you have to type here withdrawal. Then you have to tap this withdrawal, then search withdrawal history. These are the buttons, very important buttons to make the workflow easy. Now, first things first is, if you want to customize your name here of your company, since this area is protected by a password, all here are protected by password except this one, because this is the input area. Okay. So there is a warning here: do not cut, paste on cells, it will destroy. So it is not advisable to cut here, this one cut and paste, because it will destroy the formula. Now, if you are going to change this one, you need to edit company name. So if you are going to, if you would like to edit that one, personalize, just tap this button and you can now edit your company. Just like that. Easy. So you can personalize the name. It's more personal, right? Now, we have to go to the main functions of each button now. Why this one is not clear? Why? Because it's uncomfortable to every input you're going to input year, month, one product by product by product. So you will just be the one to decide to change the month. It is here, and you can change the day. Okay. Now, in this product list button, if you are going to tap this product list button, you can see the products that are listed here. So, let's just say we are going to add another product. So I will not just type, this is just for tutorial, anything. So I will go back to form and let's tap product list. Product list here is number 20 appears here. So to input your products is very easy. Now, if you are going to tap it here, for example, the main problem is if you have thousands of products listed or hundreds of it, it's not easy to scroll down to search for the product to input in this area. So I am making this search area to trim down. For example, I want to search for slippers. I will just type S and it will trim down to slippers. Then I will type A and amoxicillin, and if I will going to tap it here, then scroll down, I can scroll down. Either I can tap enter. Let's double click. When you double click, it will appear here. Now, uniformity is very important. That is why we need product list. Because when we search, very important to have a correct information, the same information. Now, you are just going to type the batch number because batch number is different. So, batch number and expiry date will be typed. For example, I will type batch number of A100. Okay. A100, then the expiry is 12/13/2025. Quantity is 100. Okay. And you put near expiry for the comments. Now, when you tap add here, the product will appear in raw. It's here. Okay. A100 near expiry comments. There is a comment here. All the information is here. Now, since all the products, all recorded products, the delivery date, the informations are all here. This is your memory. This is your data. But, for example, now, If the same product will be added, the same batch number, the same expiry date, in this raw sheet, it will be individual. But in data, all that has the same batch number, it will automatically add. For example, amoxicillin A, we will add amoxicillin B100 with expiry 12/13. Okay, and quantity is 100, 100, 100. Okay, so we will put it here. Product list, amoxicillin. The batch number is B. Let's clarify. It's B100. B100, expiry is 12/13/2025. I will add 500 near expiry. Okay, let's check. Now, B100 is 100, 100. Amoxicillin. Please remember this one. The quantity is 100. And here, I am adding quantity of 500. Okay? When I add the item, it will appear here. B100, 500 quantity. With the same information, it is by timestamp. But in data, this data, the B500 becomes 600. This is what we call the storage area. This storage area is like a bodega. The storage area is where events that took place, the adding of items with the same information and the deduction. For example, withdrawal, expiry, move to pharmacy. Here, anything that you input, for example, if I am going to, from this form, I will check for product list. Example B100. It's B100. 12/13/2025, and quantity is 150. This product will be moved to pharmacy. Move to PHY. Move to pharmacy. Now, since you want to move this pharmacy, you're just going to tap move to pharmacy. Once it is moved to pharmacy, so these are now the moved products in pharmacy. So what you will notice here in data, now since we move twice, it becomes 300 because this is our storage area. Everything that happens is in storage area in data. For example, I will move this one. Okay, I will change 150 to 50. So if data here is 300 and I am moving to pharmacy, another 50 move to pharmacy. Okay. Since we move to pharmacy, the product here, you can see, now the quantity is 50. Now from that quantity 50 that we move in pharmacy, you can see in data that now it becomes to 50 from 300. It's the same with the function of move to expire. Now, before that, before we have to move to expire or withdrawal, the same with withdrawal. If you want to withdraw, for example, because this is now expiry and the company would like to withdraw, it has 250. I will put here quantity of 250 and top withdrawal. Now you can see here that it becomes 0. The quantity is 0 and it appears, the 250 appears in that one. The quantity is in withdrawal records result. Now, those are the buttons: add item, move to pharmacy, move expired items, withdrawal. Now, if we are going to search the history, we can tap it here. For example, search delivery history. When you will only tap this one, okay, clear inputs. All is clear. You have to search for the delivery of product ID 1. Search. We need to input the particular batch number, the expiry date. For example, the odd item. We want to search this particular ID, batch number A100 10 10 25. Just leave the quantity. I'm just going to search the delivery history. I'm just going to tap it here and here. All the delivery for that particular batch number A100 will appear here. All the timestamp. This is the history for that particular product, for that particular batch number. Now, and this we can personalize it here. Now, this is a universal search, but for particular search, you can search it here. What particular product? This is the search added stocks. Now, if you are going to search for this particular product ID, you can search it. And here, you have this particular result. Now, if you want a product list, here, same. That one, it will be here, or let's say amoxicillin. And you are just going. Okay, it's the same batch number and date. No quantity, just search. Here. These are the results, and you can clear the inputs. Same with move to pharmacy search. Same with withdrawal, move to withdrawal search. And the best thing is you can search for the below 6 months expiry products. So you do not need to locate one by one. You are just going to search it here. Search below 6 months expiry. Now you will be prompted of the below 6 months expiry. It's easy. Now, for example, this is now, we have products already that is already expired, right? Today, it's 10/10/2025. Now, what you're going to do, you are just going to move expired items. Once you are going to move expired items, no expired products yet because it will be tomorrow, but all expired items will come out here. Okay? Expired. Not yet. I will input an expired products. Let's try to observe. I will put here 9. Add item is 100. Add item. It is now added here, but we are going to move that because it's already expired. Move to expired products. Now, move one expired products to the expired sheet and it appears here in expiry. Wow. That's amazing. So this is now our system, a simple system for inventory. Inventory is one of the most important, vital in any businesses. Thank you. Follow for more. Don't forget to subscribe.